In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Brother MFC-J4335DW in case you're having issues with it. Could be Wi-Fi issues or any other ones. So the first thing I always recommend once you get into any problems with your printer, not only this one, is to go ahead and disconnect it from the power. So go ahead, pull it, even if it was turned on, don't worry, and leave it at least 5 minutes this way. Afterwards, simply plug it back and try using it. Hopefully, after doing this, your problem will be gone. Now, if you're still having issues, what I recommend is that you reset. Now, you can do a full factory reset of this printer, or you can simply reset certain parts of it. For example, you can reset only the Wi-Fi and keep all the other settings intact. How to do this? Well, you're going to go over here, make sure it's turned on, press the settings, press the up arrow once, select initial setup, press OK. So press the up arrow twice until you select reset, press OK. And now you have machine reset, which means that it's mostly all the components that helps printing that will get reset, not the Wi-Fi and not any user settings. And then you have network. This is for the Wi-Fi. If you just want to reset the Wi-Fi, if this was the issue, then you have address book and fax reset. Most people don't use those, so yeah. And finally, we have all settings, which means that it's a full factory reset. Press OK. Keep press this right side arrow during 2 seconds and the reset will begin. At the end, your printer will be like a brand new one and hopefully all the issues will be gone. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, but also comment down below. If you have any other tricks, let me know. I'll be very grateful and I will probably make another video about that. See you in the next video.